Hello everyone. Take some light blue frosting and then add it to the base of your cake. Then take darker blue frosting and then add it in waves as such on the side of your cake. Now line this with yellow frosting or rather mustard colored frosting. Then on top of this add a layer of white in little beads and then in the center of each of these add a little red dot along with the green on top. Next, start off by taking some lavender colored frosting and then line the top of your cake with this in a semicircular function. Then underneath it, add it in blue, green, peach, red, and then underneath all of this, add a layer of white to it. Then add your happy birthday message right underneath. Next, take some light blue frosting, add it to the base of your cake as such. Then add blue frosting in a curtain-like shape on the sides as well. Then on top of this, add a layer of yellow and then line the top of your cake with yellow frosting as well. In the center of each of these, add two little red dots as such and then connect it to a green stem. This will make it look like cherries. Add your birthday message at the top. Next, take some pink frosting and then line the base of the cake with this. On top of this, make white frosting in curtain-like shape. Now, line this with blue as such and make it look like blue beads. At the top of your cake, make a checks pattern with blue and white frosting. Then on the sides, add two red dots along with green stems to it to make it look like cherries. Next, start off by taking a heart-shaped cake and then at the base of your cake, add white frosting to it all. Then at the top of your cake, make these swirls out of white frosting with the nozzle in a piping bag. Then write your happy birthday message in the center of it. You may finish it off by adding cute little pink hearts all around the sides as well. Next, start off by taking a yellow cake or a mustard cake. Then line the top of it with white frosting. Line the sides of it with white frosting as well. And then add this three clover-like shape. Line the base of the cake with white frosting as well. Add it in differently sized beads. Then make these yellow swirls all around the cake and then finish it off with green leaves on either side. Next, take a green base cake and then take this piping bag filled with white icing with this particular nozzle and then make these loop shapes all around in a circular shape. Now, take some light pink frosting and then make these flower petals like shape all around. Line it with some green frosting to add to the leaves of it. Add this to the base as well. Thank you for watching.